Sharon had told me quietly that every night of the last 12 months since Amy's accident, she lay awake thinking of the guys at the fire service who had saved her only daughter's life. Finally, today, Amy and her mum and dad get to visit the heroes.
You're so welcome. It's great to have you here today.
Thank you.
You're welcome. We're delighted to be able to help you out, okay?
No one ever comes back into the fire station. These lads never get to see someone like Amy.
Paul. Hello. Des.
How are we?
I could see that they were very moved being there with her. You could not be. The room was very emotional.
Words can't explain it. From the bottom of our hearts, we thank you very, very much. I feel this little girl wouldn't be here today. Thank you so much.